Welcome back, dear students. I am happy to meet you again. I hope by this time you might have completed the course. Hope the course is useful for you. Now it's time to get your certificate. Now, before getting your certificate, kindly watch this video carefully. So, when you log in into your course, you log in into your course by this link. Press Ctrl button and click the link. You will be directed to my classroom. You can take your certificate at any time. So you log in with the username you have created. So I have created as username, Guru as my username, and I have created my password. You log in here. You have already enrolled and your courses will be available here. See, look at here. This is the course available for you. It is now available in progress. So it is available for you. Now you should complete the activities. So you just click here and you will be taken to the course. So by this time you might have completed all these activities. So when you have completed the activities, click all these squares, and at last here is your certificate. So you can get your certificate only when you complete the quiz. Otherwise, you will not be able to get your certificate. The certificate will get blocked. So you can see I have given a restriction: not available unless you achieve a required score in the quiz, General Shakespeare, which is 40%. Okay. Now, if you have attended the quiz and if you are ready to take the certificate, the first thing you have to check is go to your profile. Where to go to your profile? Fine. This is the label. I have said already. This is the label, and here is your profile. Okay. Here both here and here. See here. There is a label and there is a gear symbol, and below the gear symbol your name is available here, and there is a drop-off menu here. Click it and go to profile. Your profile. You should edit your profile before you get your certificate. Otherwise, your name will not be added in the certificate. So after entering your profile, here there is a profile menu. Click the profile menu and you will be taken to your edit profile. Okay, see, profile. First come to this drop menu, click the profile, and here again in the label, click again profile, and you can edit your profile. When you edit your profile, a page will appear. Okay. Now you see, I have given my short name, first name as Guru and surname as Velayudham. And if I get my certificate with this, the same name will appear in the certificate. So suppose I don't want this name, I want my full name as Guru Devraj Velayudham. Okay, this is my full name as with proper spelling. Okay, I put capital first letter GURU DGV MRAJAN. This is my first name. Okay, and I put my surname Velayudham V capital. See, this is the way you have to change your profile. So when you create your account, you might have used some username. So that username will be your first name and surname. So if you want to the name to be appeared under certificate as it is reflected in other certificate, you must edit the profile before you get your certificate. So I will give this description here. Okay, there is no description. and slowly come down, and here is update. Don't forget to update the profile, otherwise it will not reflect in your certificate. Kindly update your profile. Now you see the change name has been changed as Gurudev Rajan Velayam. So then I don't because I so I just now again I edit it as Guru Velayam, and again it will come as Guru Velayam. So this is most important, dear students. Otherwise you will not be getting your certificate as you wish. It will be in a different format. Your name will be very different, spellings will be different, everything will be different. So always update your profile. You see, again it has been changed. Okay, now so I just have a recap. Go to, see, there's a gear. This is the label of the course. Above the label there is a drop-up menu with your name, type, okay, drop-up menu, profile, and in the coming here to the label there is a profile, and edit profile, edit your name and update it. That's it. So after that you can go to your course. Go to site home and go to Shakespeare. Okay, it is your course. Otherwise you can go to my course. You can see it is your course, and here after taking your quiz and after taking 40% in the quiz, your certificates will get ready. Okay, and simply click the certificate. Okay, for example, I attend the quiz. Attend the quiz now. So finish attempt. Okay, your answer is here. Come to submit on all finish. Submit and all finish confirmation. Go to your course. Here is there my course. See, here is my course. Go to your course. Finish review. Okay, so I have got 9 marks. So that now I can get my certificate. Okay. Okay, let's go to site home. Now you can see. Available. Now I am ready to get my certificate. You see, now the certificate is open. You go click here, view certificate. See here, the certificate is getting ready. See here, the open file is there. Open the file and your certificate is ready. Your certificate, see, now the name appears as I have reflected, as I have typed in the profile. If I want my first word to be capital, I should have updated my profile, otherwise it will not appear. So this is my certificate. You can see, I just enlarge it. See, here you see G small letter. Here if I want to change it, I should have changed it in my profile. So thank you for watching the video. Keep updated, keep learning. Thank you, students.